This luxurious Class C is perfect for couples, and it can sleep up to 6 people. Let's check it out. We are gonna start out with the interior. And for all my queens and kings out there, they have a step for you.
It's for fancy people.
You don't have to put out a step for yourself. They've included that with the Class C.
I can't be putting steps in and out all the time. It's a waste of time.
It's luxury at its finest. You don't have to think about that. Starting with the cap, this is a one-piece cap. And what's cool about it is you don't have to worry about like water damage and debris coming in. So it's just one piece. And here we can actually assemble it into a bed.
It's actually very big.
It's brand spanking new. It's a 2026. So we're not going to touch anything here. But basically you can make this into a bed and sleep 2 people over here.
It is actually very big too, guys. This is very big.
Yeah, this is like a full size, I would say. Now, if you don't want those shades down, you can put them up.
Ooh, fancy technology.
With a click of a button.
I do like buttons.
Yeah. Now, storage on this side, a cup holder, and a little bungee corded area here to put maybe a book.
You don't need a lot of storage up here. I mean, this is for grandkids or guests, so it's not like they need cabinets or storage, so it's perfect.
This is a perfect for like a sleepover. Yeah, they come over to, I don't know, a weekend and visit you in really cool places. A mountainous place or a beach. TV, 32-inch, and a JBL soundbar.
That's fancy.
That's fancy. You don't get that in a lot of RVs. So that's pretty nifty. And this is gonna be on a Ford E450 chassis. Let's check out the front here. It's gonna be your driver here. Oh, look at this.
It's like she can drive it.
Oh my gosh. Val can drive this? I totally could. I probably could, because I could see everything, and it's not too big, and it's like closer to the road, you know, like the Class A. Oh, that's a scary beast.
I think you should drive this thing.
Check out this cool little touch board. So this is gonna be basically your command, or
it's gonna be your
control.
Front command. Yeah.
Yeah, your
music, radio, bumping, all that fun stuff.
And of course, the passenger princess sits here.
That's where I sit. Val can drive this thing.
On to these recliners. Oh, these recliners. They have cup holders as well as a place to put your phone. Seatbelts for safety.
So if you do have guests coming with you, well, you'll be wondering where they even sit. Well, they sit right there.
Yeah. These are nice and comfy. And up top, a place to put your pillows or throws, even games.
Put board games up there.
Yeah, board games. Could definitely do that. Look,
I've been big into Uno recently. It's a good one.
Soft clothes, lights underneath, as well as an outlet. Two-tone valance here. We have like this almost faux leather under here, and then this tweed design here. Blackout shades and windows, of course.
It's very wide, guys. So I'm trying to go back. It's very wide. You could probably
you can
do some gym stuff over here, man.
Yeah, you could do some serious yoga, gym stuff. I mean, I don't know, you name it. It's pretty cool. It's tall ceilings. You don't get to see that in a lot of Class C's. They're like actually really
barely reach.
I can barely reach.
Most RVs that are like this, she can reach the top.
Yeah, usually they're like, oh, right here. But this one's actually, oh my gosh, I have to like.
Just gotta try.
I have to try. Oh my gosh. Okay. We are going to talk about this dinette here. This is a booth style seating area. This is perfect for your spouse, your partner to enjoy a nice little meal together and looking out to the beach if you're on the beach or mountains. Cup holders on either side. Look at this little squared off design here along the windows. It's going to give you that residential feel.
It is big too. I mean, you consider you're going to bring guests or you're going to have kids here.
Seat 4 nice comfortably.
It's comfortable, guys. These are very plush and mushy.
Yes.
Look at these.
Mushy, plushy.
Mushy. Yes.
Why do you say mushy? That's just weird.
They're mushy.
No, that's the wrong word. I would say they're plushy. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Plushy?
No, they're
Anyway.
They're squishy.
Squishy. Same thing. Mushy, squishy.
No, they're not.
You guys do have outlets right down here. So if you're going to be working on your business, making billions of dollars in stock trades, you can do it right here.
You could do it right at this desk at your convenience. Okay, why did I take this off? Oh, yes.
I was wondering. So she was going to hit me with it.
I mean, if you say something really embarrassing about me, I will. But we're going to put this back because this actually turned into a bed. This table moves down at the level of right about here.
Yep.
And then you can assemble it to make it into a bed. And that way grandkids can come over and they could fit comfortably over here if they're smaller.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Going into the kitchen. Oh my gosh, I was really excited about this because look at this countertop. This is unique.
And you have a window. I like the window.
The window is really cool. We have this valance here. And of course, underneath is our blackout shades if we wanted to do that. Matte black faucet, nice little farmhouse sink. And then you're gonna have this little modern farmhouse feel to this RV.
Check out the lights too. There's like glows.
Yes, underneath there's lights. I love that they're adding that because it feels more vibey, you know? It just feels cool.
What's vibey mean?
Vibey? It's just like that. It feels like cozy.
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 I like it.
On this side, we have some outlets, hidden outlets, and that way you can charge up your phones or you can plug up a appliance.
Perfect place to put a smoothie machine or something.
Smoothie machine, you could do that. Starting with this area here, we have storage up top.
Probably put gloves up there. Maybe
storage in here.
All kinds of different lights.
Pots and pans can go all in there.
Yeah, so what a
nice
kitchen.
Drawers.
Yeah, look at this.
Soft clothes. Are you serious? Yes, I love it. This one as well. This one's nice and large.
Here's the most important part, guys. Where are you gonna cook your meals? 3
burner stove top. We also have this backsplash here. So easy wipe down. A little oven here for your pizzas and
there you go.
morning cupcakes that you morning cupcakes? Yeah,
morning
you could
cupcakes?
morning cupcakes. Let's roll with it.
Evening cupcakes too. Morning and evening cupcakes.
Lunch cupcakes, I don't know.
Cupcakes every day.
Microwave.
Oh, you have that big one up there.
Yeah, I showed you. You missed it.
Did I miss it?
Yes, I went lightning speed.
I'm gonna have to go back and look at this video again.
Please do. Oh, that is so nice and cold. Oh my gosh, are you serious? That is so cool.
There you go, guys. Screenshot this. If you didn't know, fish, chicken, or beef, that's how long you're allowed to keep it in the freezer.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Love it. Okay, this is a Furrion with a glass
That's a nice
panel.
look to it,
Yeah. I'm seeing a lot of that in the new ones. Pantry to put all your rice and beans and potato chips, dry goods, canned goods.
Do love beans, you know, they're a magical
Even
fruit.
a little cubby right there. Nifty. That is the living space and the kitchen. Now we're gonna go into the bathroom.
Wait, isn't this the bathroom?
All right, we're gonna go with the shower. Because I know we're gonna have to pivot.
This is the shower, wow.
This is the shower, and this is actually pretty tall. I'm 5'5", so this is really tall. Nice shower head, jets here, even a wand if you wanted to use that. Love the design of this shower, and it's of course like a little mini drop down. So of course it's on a platform, but
I mean, it's kind of cool. Like if you wanted a snack, you could like quickly grab some chips and then go shower.
No.
Okay.
I'm not doing that. Okay.
Right, grab a Gatorade. There you go.
All right, you're gonna have to pivot this way.
All right, we're going around.
You are. To the bathroom. It's spacious, you guys. For a Class C, this is spacious. We have a whole entire room to do your business. Toilet here, outlet on this side, even some storage to put your toiletries and maybe some scrunchies.
It's a very big vanity mirror. Huh?
This is very lady friendly. I like to say that because it's we ladies like to look at ourselves.
Hey,
and this makes it so much easier when there's a huge mirror. Look at this space for our skincare and makeup. I'm just so excited. Again with the valance and blackout shades. We have lights above, a fan. Look at this counter space. I've never seen anything like this. Almost like this wooden, grainy look. I love this. This is not something you see every time in an RV, but wanted to make note of that. Matte black. I wish this was a little bit bigger.
It's kind of small. On the smaller side.
So you really have to like get in there.
Were you eating cereal?
Yeah, eating cereal from here.
I mean, that is.
You just plug this up.
A cereal bowl.
You plug this up and you eat some cereal. And you sit and you do this.
It's my favorite thing to do.
This is horrible. This
in and out right away.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know if we're gonna keep that clip.
It's a great clip to keep.
Now we're gonna talk about this bedroom here. We have a queen size bed, nightstands on either side, as well as windows for extra lighting. Look at these nifty little, woo, those are fun.
That was a fun sound you just made.
Yeah, I know, right? And on either side of the bed, you're gonna have these USB ports right here. So you just put up a charger.
Yeah, but they're also wireless chargers. So you can wirelessly charge.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, they do have USB ports too, which is nice.
So cool. So cool. It's like futuristic. storage on. When you are done for the night, you just put your decorative pillows in there. Look how much space there is. You could put like a couple in there. Anyways, so you could do that. Nice little headboard here. I love the wall color and the color of the cabinets. Over on this side, we have a his and her closet.
It's kind of nifty.
And a large mirror.
Can't be sharing my clothes with you.
You can see yourself like full length. You can see your outfit. You can be like outfit check.
That's what I do every day.
Hangables can go here. This is a nice size closet here. Shoes, maybe some scarves, handbags can go up there. And that's, hold on.
You gotta be strong.
You gotta be strong.
I
really?
was messing with that earlier.
There we go. I could not even open that. Okay. Sock drawer, underwear drawer, you know, whatever you want.
All right.
A little 24-inch TV.
It's a cute little guy.
Little cute little guy. This one's, I have to peep over.
Jeez. They're like things you don't like very often. You put
no,
up there.
Yeah. They, like books you don't like want to read anymore. You don't want to look at them anymore. So that's a perfect drawer. Yeah. Super nifty. And his closet. Hangables as well as his hats.
I have my fancy bags.
I love the large mirrors. This is so cool. Window on this wall, which makes it nice. And of course, I'm going to show you this accordion. Privacy.
Oh, privacy accordion?
Privacy accordion. Oh my gosh.
That's a privacy accordion.
It's not a wall.
It's a privacy accordion.
It's not even a curtain. I'm just going to call it accordion.
Accordion, that makes sense.
And if you wanted like outlets, there's an outlet here on this wall too, if you needed that.
Good for CPAP machines or charging, maybe if you want to work on the laptop or something.
And the AC units are AC units as well as heat pumps. And you can have an option to have the two ACs instead. So you can have that too. All right. We're going to run through some specs before we head outside. So your dry weight here is at 14,500 pounds, and the gross combined weight rating is going to be at 22,000 pounds. The overall length of this bad boy is 32 feet and 6 inches. Freshwater capacity is at 47 gallons. Gray is at 41 gallons. Black is at 32 gallons. The fuel tank capacity is at 55 gallons. Sleeps up to 6 people. Engine size is a 7.3 liter V8. All right, let's go check out that exterior. As we're going outside, I wanted to show this control panel here that controls basically everything in your house. So it's almost like a smart house.
That's kind of cool.
On these stairs, you will find easy access to your batteries. That's super important.
It's very convenient, guys.
Very convenient. And on this door, we also have this blackout shade option as well.
All right. Oh,
love that step. That's so cool.
Princess stairs, they're gone.
By Lippert.
There we go. Cool.
The exterior is, this is going to be your standard graphics. They also have 4 different paint jobs, full body paints.
Very big Class C.
It's a big Class C.
Look how far the cap goes over. That's why you can have like 2 people fitting there. That is very far over.
All right, so these are pretty nifty. These are not your just regular side mirrors. They also have side cameras.
Oh, I love cameras.
And this is a Ford, so obviously if you have any troubles, easy to repair.
That is the difference. If you get like a diesel and you get one of the Class A's, it's very expensive to fix. Where this is built on an E450 platform, you can go to virtually any mechanic.
Basically. 2 slides on this side. We have these rounded not mirrors.
Windows.
Windows, they call them.
Nowadays.
Of course, our driver door is right here.
Oh, let's see what you look like. So
Don't mind if I do.
This is what she would look like driving this thing. Look at this.
They look cute.
She was born cute.
It's a nice, comfortable ride. Oh, and this is actually a Sony infotainment, they call it.
That's fancy technology.
It's fancy technology, guys, in here. Love. Okay, I saw a compartment here, so let's check this out.
That would be your generator.
Yep, generator.
So the cool thing is you do have solar on here, which is enough to kind of keep the basics going, but you also have the generator if you need more power.
Yeah, and this is Onan, so Cummins generator. It's gonna keep you nice and cool if it's in the summer.
Got a couple little storage boxes. Look at that.
This is gonna be perfect for handy dandy tools that you wanna have on this side of the RV. That way you could just have those on hand And that's pretty easy to access. Just have to watch your head. And another one in here.
It's got a nice little plastic inside of it, so probably easy. It's just like a...
You can wash that out with a hose.
Wash it out, leaf blower.
Yeah.
Clean out the dust.
Yeah, it's easy. Easy maintenance. These are gonna be your pulls for your black and gray. This is where you fill up. Again, with this as well. Love that they're like lined and it's just one seamless line in there. So
there's access to the solar on top.
The ladder, yep.
And then you do have this nice hitch right here. So you can actually tow probably a car. It goes up to 7,500 pounds. Probably, actually Jeeps are into that. So you could tow a Jeep with this thing as well if you wanted to.
Yeah, like a 2-door Jeep.
Or even a 4-door. 4 doors are under that.
Nice size window over here. Your tail lights are gonna be over here. And a backup camera. It's a little tiny one. It's a cute guy. Did you see that one?
I did see it. It's very
It's
small.
so cute.
Remember, it's not about the size of the camera, it's how you use the camera.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. Yes, we're talking
More
about
storage.
good amount of storage.
Probably put a grill right over here or something. If you did want to bring a grill, this is where you connect right here. So you have your propane, and you can actually connect directly to your propane system. And you got that speaker right there. So man, you could be grilling out here.
Your JBL speakers on either side of this RV.
You're having a blast.
And your awning can go out and block out all the sun, set up some chairs. Oh my goodness. I love that they have like these compartments here to organize all of your stuff. So you can put tools, outdoor gear, maybe
Outdoor
some
games, maybe.
Outdoor games?
Yeah, like beanbag toss or something.
Oh yeah.
All kinds of fun games.
Totally. Oh my goodness. It's like opening up the advent calendar for like chocolates. It's like, what am I gonna find in here? Oh, another storage compartment.
You do have enough. You could probably put a piece of chocolate in each one. There you go.
Yes.
There's your propane right there, guys.
Propane in there. JBL speaker.
For safety reasons, there's actually no key there, if you guys notice. So if somebody, a neighbor or a citizen is coming by and they smell the propane, they can quickly turn it off if there's an issue. So.
Super smart. Oh my goodness. And look at this. Another storage compartment. I'm so happy right now.
A lot of storage. So this thing does have an auto leveling system. It's hydraulic, which is kind of nice. You get the whole thing level. No need to worry about it. No blocks. Covers everything. It's a nice RV. Nice motorhome.
I love this little home on wheels, and this is perfect for full-time living. Honestly, you can full-time live in this, or you take it for a weekend getaway. Take the grandkids, take your kids. I don't know. But anyways, coolest part of all is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you like this 2026 Jayco Greyhawk. I think it's a pretty cool Class C and luxury on wheels. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.